So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Pepe cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, at the bottom, select the magnifying glass. Then once you're here on the Explore page, go to the top and search by name or symbol, and then type in PEPE or Pepe, and then select it. Once you're on the Pepe page right here, you can then go to the bottom to where it says buy, and you can press buy. Then on this page, with a market order, you can select how much of Pepe you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy, let's just say $4 worth, you would type in 4 and then press review. Then on this page, you can review your order so you can view how much Pepe crypto that you're purchasing, the fees associated with it, and the total cost. And if this looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and you can swipe up to submit the order. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can buy Pepe cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.